At Young American Center for Financial Education, we are committed to developing young people real-life, hands-on experiences in personal finance so that they can prosper in our free enterprise system. We do this through 4 program areas: banking and personal finance, free enterprise, global economics, and entrepreneurship. Young Americans Bank is the world's only bank for young people under the age of 22. Personal finance is something that we use every single day of our lives. We can either make good decisions or we can make bad decisions, but those are decisions that will stay with us a lifetime. So understanding how to balance your checkbook, manage your finances, invest wisely. Our program concept area, Free Enterprise, is accomplished through our flagship program, Young Ameritown. Young Ameritown is a unique experience where young people get the chance to run their own town for a day, assuming the roles of consumers and producers, running their own government for the day, really understanding the intricacies of our free enterprise system. Our environment these days is not just local, it is definitely global. International Town is our middle school program where students get an opportunity to explore our global economy. Topics such as interdependence, trade, tariffs, scarcity, supply and demand, getting in depth on what makes our world go round. Our founder, Bill Daniels, believed so dearly in our free enterprise system. He felt it was the best system in the world. Entrepreneurship is near and dear to our hearts, with Mr. Daniels being one of the most notable entrepreneurs in the region and in the country. Youth Biz are our suite of entrepreneurial programs, from early on teaching kids how to think entrepreneurially, all the way up to starting and running their own business, to allow youth to really explore how they create value, whether it be understanding how to think entrepreneurially, how to create a business, how to manage a business, really understand what made our country great through entrepreneurship. True to our roots, Young Americans remains an entrepreneurial organization, constantly innovating to explore and create new programs. Young Americans offers a variety of classes, workshops, and summer camps, allowing youth to go a little bit more in depth into those concepts of banking and personal finance, free enterprise, global economics, and entrepreneurship. Growing up in an unbanked family in Southern Colorado made me realize the important impact that we make here. I hope that Young American Center for Financial Education continues to empower young people to take control of their life, manage their finances, become better citizens, more engaged in their communities, so that they can make a difference in our future. Join us at Young American Center for Financial Education by opening a bank account, enrolling in a class or workshop, or becoming one of our sponsors to keep this important work alive in our community.
Thank you.